Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an HTML slot or block on WordPress. So quickly, on the upper left corner of the screen, go to Block Inserter, click on the arrow button right here, type in HTML, or you can also scroll down and find it, select Custom HTML, and now this is the HTML code. It's going to ask you to write a code. And the way you can do this is by going to this application right here. It's called ElfSite. So in ElfSite, what you want to do is go to My Apps, explore all apps. Now you can select any apps catalog that you want to add as a widget or as an HTML. Now let's go with the YouTube gallery. Let's click on this one, The Tonight Show. And yeah, once you click on that, click on continue with this template, and then it's going to ask you to publish it. Just simply publish it, and eventually it will appear here on your main display or main screen. And what you want to do is click on more actions and then click on embed code. From here, just copy the code and paste it here on your HTML. And now for you to see this, even if you enter it, actually it won't appear, because what you need to do is hit preview. And that's it. Automatically, this appears now as a widget in WordPress. And that's it. That's how you can add an HTML in WordPress using free sites like ElfSite. Hope you enjoyed this video. If we did help you out with whatever project it is you're making, please do hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this only here on Tech Help Guy.